Hello and welcome to this lesson, how to create and customize moving average indicator in TradingView PineScript. This lesson consists of following sections. In introduction section, I will review the moving average indicator and I will explain how to use it in TradingView PineScript. In the next section, I will create moving average indicator using ta.sma function. In the next section, I will explain different types of moving average indicators. For example, we're going to create moving average indicator using ta.ema function to calculate exponential moving average indicator. In the next section, I will demonstrate how to customize appearance of moving average by changing its color, line width, and style. In the next section, I will explain best practices of how to choose proper number of period for moving average indicator. And in the last section, I will point out importance of understanding how to create and customize moving average indicator in TradingView PineScript. So let's begin. The moving average indicator is a popular technical indicator that is used to smooth out price fluctuations and identify trends. In TradingView PineScript, you can create and customize your own moving average indicator using built-in ta.sma function. Let's create an indicator and let's create script that will calculate simple moving average indicator. To create new indicator, you can click on Open button. After that, click on Indicator menu item. So now let's give a name to our indicator. First parameter in indicator function that is the script name. So let's give it a proper name. So we are going to calculate moving average indicators in this script. Therefore, let's name it MA indicators. And there are another important parameter here that we're going to use is overlay. Overlay parameter is the parameter that decides where to plot the indicator, on the chart or on the pane below the chart. This is moving average indicators, therefore we want to plot them on the chart. Therefore overlay should be true. By default, overlay is false. Now, to calculate and plot simple moving average, so let's declare the variable and then let's use the ta.sma function to calculate simple moving average indicator. As a source for this function, let's use close price. And as a length or period for this function, let's use, for example, 20. So therefore, after we calculated the simple moving average, we can plot it. Right? So let's plot it. So in plot function, first parameter is the series. So we're plotting simple moving average series. The next parameter is the title. Let's give it a proper title. It's simple moving average indicator. Therefore, let's use SMA title. Next parameter, color. Let's give it a color. So colors are, there are pre-existing colors that in color namespace. Let's choose a color. For example, I'm interested in blue color. So next parameter is line width. Line width, let's say, for example, by default, line width is 1. If I want to make it thicker, the line, so I'll use some bigger number, like a 2. The next parameter is the style. As you see, there are different styles over here that we can use. So let's say I want to use the line style. To do that, we type plot. After that, we click on the point key and we can choose the available styles here. For example, line. Now let's save our indicator. So let's confirm the name, MA indicators, for this script. After we saved it, we need to add this indicator to the chart. Let's click on this button to add it to the chart. As you see, it plotted our simple moving average indicator. Right? So also let's talk a little about these parameters. As a parameter for this calculation moving average, we could use any series. For example, we could use high, low, or open prices. And for the period, we could choose different period. If we choose, for example, smaller period, it will follow the price closely. Let's, for example, choose the period of 5 and save it. You see, it's following the price closer. Let's choose another period bigger, 50 in this case. When you choose bigger period, it's smoothing the changes of the price. Now, there are different types of moving averages, right? And there are different built-in functions in TradingView that you can use to calculate different types of moving averages. For example, let's calculate exponential moving average indicator. So to do that quickly, we can copy and paste existing two lines and then just do some minor changes to these lines in order to calculate and plot exponential moving average indicator. So it's going to be EMA variable. So then in TA namespace, there are exponential moving average function, right? And so we're going to use it to calculate exponential moving average. After that, for the source, let's use, for example, high of the price. And after that, let's specify a length, for example, 10. After that, let's plot this EMA that we calculated, and let's change it to the proper title, which is EMA. We want it to have different color, so let's choose, for example, fuchsia color. And the line width, let's make it thicker, 3. And let's use different plot. So we used line, we specify plot, dot, and after that let's choose different style, for example, circles, and save it. As you see, we just plotted fuchsia color indicator with the style circle. Now let's calculate and plot another type of moving average, which is weighted moving average. So we just copy and paste these two lines, and we'll just change appropriately what we need to change. We change the variable name to WMA. It's going to be weighted moving average. After that, let's select weighted moving average function. Let's use, for example, low of the bar to calculate this weighted moving average, comma, and the length, let's length to be 100, for example. So let's paste this calculated weighted moving average to this plot function. And let's change appropriately the title for that weighted moving average. So we need to change the color to some color. For example, let's use lime color. The line width, I want it to be even thicker, 4. And the style, plot, dot, and let's choose different style. For example, step line. So let's save it. As you see, we calculated weighted moving average and we plotted it with the green color and step line style. So now I demonstrated how to create different types of moving average, and also we used different series to calculate this moving average and different periods. In summary, in this lesson we have covered the basics of how to create and customize moving average indicator in TradingView PineScript by using the built-in ta.sma, ta.ema, and ta.wma functions and customizing the appearance and type of moving averages. You can create moving average indicator that suits your specific needs and preferences. This is the end of the lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.